welcome to my channel. My name is Elias. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Today we'll be talking about WordPress. So what we need to do first of all is download either XAMPP or WAMP, anyone you prefer, but I'll be using XAMPP today for this tutorial. So let's download WordPress, and then you download either XAMPP or WAMP. And when you download, you install, and then you try to start it up. When it's already started, you can see the W sign over here. So now when you've installed and you've started it, what you will see is this: either use 127.0.0.1 or you use localhost. It's the same thing. Now when you've gotten that done, what you need to do next is extract your WordPress that you downloaded, the zip file. If you're using XAMPP, you will see XAMPP folder here. Inside XAMPP folder, you're going to see htdocs, and inside htdocs you can paste your WordPress folder here. And if you look over, you see my WordPress here. So if you're using WAMP, you see WAMP 64, and inside WAMP 64 you can use www, and inside your www folder you can paste it. This is WordPress. So now what you do to get to the website you are creating on it, you say localhost, then you say /, and you can go WordPress. I think let's click on WordPress. So we'll see it is loading. What it's going to come up to. Alright, this means you've actually done it right. You've gotten to the first step correctly. After your installation, this part is now showing that you installed your XAMPP or WAMP correctly and your WordPress is in the right place. Now what you're going to do is this. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. First thing you want is a database name. So when you click let's go, you're going to provide a database name. You're also going to provide a database username and password, database host. So here now we're going to log into our PHP By default, the password is the username is root, and it has no password. So here you can choose kind of a server you want, either MySQL or MariaDB. So we're using MySQL. You click on go. So you see it's loaded. This is our database we have over here. So we are creating one for a test. So we click on new. So let's say WordPress. Whatever you're going to give the name is what's going to be there. So WordPress. Click on create. The database has been created as WordPress. Next thing you're going to do is this: click on it. Then you go to privileges. If you want to create a special user for it, you can see these are the users that can use this account right now. If you want to create a new one, you say add new user. So we're going to call it WordPress. Username is going to be WordPress host any, or you can set localhost. Password field, and you can create, let's just use 126. I recommend using a stronger password for yours. Confirm, and you go 1 2 3 5 6. When you're done, you can create grant or privileges. This is okay. This is want to set it to every other database there, but what we are setting it is privilege will be global. So you can just click OK and go. So we've created a new user WordPress for the WordPress account. So this is it. So inside WordPress, we can now check privileges to see which user can use it, and we can see we have WordPress and the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we go back to our WordPress setup, and you see what it needs now. It says database name, that is username, and that is password, which we have already done. So the next thing we're going to do is now say next. So let's say we database name is WordPress like we created. You can change it if it's not the same thing with yours. You can name it anything like we did back there. You can name it WordPress, so you can change when you're naming yours. You can name it to anything you like. It doesn't have to be WordPress. Username is still WordPress, just for example. So this is not recommended. Password is 12345 6. 12345 6. Your local host, yes. Now table prefix, you can write anything here. You can leave like that. It's just what comes before the table. So if you want to run, yes, if you want to run multiple WordPress, so to distinguish between different WordPress, it will need this. So it says submit. If it's successful, if you did everything right, you're going to get this. Alright, made it through because everything you put in was correct. Now you say run the installation. So now we're going to give it a site name. WordPress, let's just say WordPress demo, and username, let's just say admin. Not recommended again. It's not safe. People already know that you're going to be admin, so it's going to be an easy target. Um, let's see. Password 12456 just for this class. Confirm use of weak password. Then you can also your email. Let's just use my normal email for this. Okay. Don't click this. Leave it. Just leave it this way. Then click install WordPress. It's going to load and then get you the one you need. Okay. So you're going to install. Once it's done, it's going to reload and tell you it's done. So while we wait for that, oh, it's done now. So this is it. You have finished this. So your username is admin and the password. Click on login to show you your login page. Okay, and then you have what here? Um, 12345 6 as password. You can say remember me if you want. Click login and take it to your admin panel. Now it's supposed to take this long. Hmm, let me disable my VPN. Okay, so now you have welcome to WordPress. You have successfully installed your WordPress. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to use this part of WordPress. Thank you for watching.